Hi, this is Adriana, and this video is about the fifth thing that happens to your brain when you dance. And it's that dancing will prevent dizziness. So if you ever seen the ballet dancers performing, doing all these pirouettes, and they don't get dizzy. So research suggests that through years of practice and training, dancers gain the ability to suppress signals from the balance organs in the brain, in the inner ear, that are linked to the cerebellum. And Dr. Simengel explains that their brains adapt after years of training to suppress that input. So the signal going to the brain areas responsible for perception of dizziness in the cerebral cortex is reduced, making the dancers resistant to feeling dizzy. So if you suffer from dizziness, or you know someone that does, making time to do any type of dance is a great way to address this problem. Dancing will help improve the function of your cerebellum, which in turn helps you with balance, and it makes you less dizzy. So and you don't need to be a professional. And dancing at any level helps. I remember like 4 years ago when I started dancing, I would get dizzy even with these simple dances. But now I don't get dizzy, and my balance is much better. So there you go. Dancing will help with dizziness. Thank you for watching. Bye. And this video is part of a series of videos for the $100 video challenge within SalesVision Business Games. So you can read the description down below, and you can click the link, and it will give you it will take you where it will give you much more information. Thank you for watching. Bye.